Welcome to Auto Buzz TV, the ultimate place where innovation meets style on three wheels. Today, we are diving into something truly unique and futuristic, the Gray RV Camper Tricycle. A vehicle that perfectly blends the comfort of a camper with the agility of a tricycle. This isn't just a ride, it's a lifestyle on wheels. So sit back, relax, and let's explore everything that makes this Gray RV trike a marvel of modern design. The moment you set eyes on the Gray RV Camper Tricycle, you're struck by its sleek, metallic finish. The gray tone gives it a bold yet elegant presence, not flashy, but powerful in its simplicity. Its aerodynamic curves and compact structure make it stand out as both futuristic and practical. Designed for adventure lovers and minimal travelers, this trike offers a whole new way to explore the world with style and independence. Starting with the exterior, the design is pure perfection. The lightweight aluminum frame ensures durability while keeping the weight manageable. The matte gray coating isn't just for looks, it's resistant to scratches and heat, ensuring your trike stays as stunning as the day you bought it. The LED headlamps in the front give off bright, energy-efficient lighting, making nighttime rides smooth and safe. At the back, the RV camper shell features tinted windows for privacy and a sleek tail design with smart brake indicators for safety and sophistication. Now, let's step inside. The Gray RV Camper Tricycle may look compact, but it's surprisingly spacious and smartly organized. Inside, you'll find a cozy mini lounge that easily transforms into a sleeping bed for one or two travelers. The soft cushions and foldable table make it ideal for resting, working, or dining wherever you park. There's even a small kitchenette section with a built-in electric stove, a compact sink, and storage cabinets to hold all your essentials. Everything is designed to maximize comfort in minimal space. And yes, this trike is fully powered for your adventures. Depending on the model, it can be electric or hybrid, offering an eco-friendly performance with smooth acceleration. The electric version runs silently, giving you a calm and green ride. You can charge it using solar panels mounted on the roof, making it perfect for off-grid travel. Imagine driving through mountain trails, parking near the beach, or camping in the woods, all while knowing your trike can recharge using sunlight. That's the true definition of freedom. Performance-wise, the Gray RV Camper Tricycle doesn't disappoint. It comes with a powerful motor that handles both city roads and countryside paths with ease. The suspension system absorbs bumps and uneven terrains, giving you a smooth and steady ride. With 3 sturdy tires providing balance, you don't have to worry about tipping or losing control. It's built to be stable, reliable, and safe, everything an explorer needs. One of the coolest features is its smart dashboard. It's digital, modern, and user-friendly. You can monitor your speed, battery life, GPS route, and even weather updates right from the screen. Some advanced versions also support Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to play music, take calls, or navigate through maps hands-free. It's a smart ride for a smart traveler. But the Gray RV trike isn't just about performance and technology, it's also about experience. Imagine hitting the open road with nothing but the horizon ahead. Whether you're an adventurer, a solo traveler, or someone who just loves new experiences, this trike offers everything you need in one stylish package. You don't have to worry about hotels or schedules, your camper is your home wherever you go. Another big plus is its efficiency. With low maintenance costs and high energy efficiency, the Gray RV trike is both affordable and sustainable. It's perfect for those who want to travel without spending too much on fuel or maintenance. And because it's compact, you can easily park it in small spaces, something traditional RVs struggle with. Customization is another highlight. You can personalize the Gray RV Tricycle with additional accessories like rooftop cargo racks, portable solar batteries, or a foldable awning for outdoor shade. Want to make it more luxurious? Add LED interior lighting, a mini fridge, or a Bluetooth sound system, the options are endless. Overall, the Gray RV Camper Tricycle represents a shift in the way we think about travel. It's not just transportation, it's freedom, comfort, and technology all combined into one compact design. It's for those who crave adventure but also value simplicity. Whether you're exploring city streets or hidden trails, this trike ensures you do it in comfort and style. And that wraps up today's feature on the Gray RV Camper Tricycle, a small machine with a big heart and an even bigger dream. If you enjoyed this deep dive, Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who love unique vehicles. This is Auto Buzz TV, bringing you the latest and most exciting innovations from the world of automobiles. Stay tuned for more amazing rides, more creative designs, and more automotive inspiration. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your adventures rolling. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.